Now, what I would like to say is that if you guys become chartered accountants, if you are becoming chartered accountants or you want to become very good chartered accountants, you should know the business. A good chartered accountant knows the business. Okay, you can't become a chartered accountant until you understand the business. How business work you should understand very well. Okay, and for making journal entries also, you should know the business, right guys?
Yes, sir.
So shall we try to understand a little bit about general business?
Okay, sir.
Let us start a business. Okay, let us start a business related to cell phones. Okay, we want to set up a shop or a store where we can sell cell phones. Okay,
Okay, sir.
business is not yet started, we want to start it. Okay, can you imagine what all things you have to do to start a cell phone business? Open question to all the three of you. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, we need assets like, first of all, we have to find assets like land where we have to make our business start.
Land, you have to buy land.
Yeah.
Do I have to buy land to start a shop?
No, like if we have to our like own business.
Yeah. Is it compulsory?
It's not compulsory, sir.
Then what is the alternate? I don't have land, so I can't start a business.
You can start at home now, sir.
Yeah, at home. Will people come to my apartment, 4th floor, flat number 103?
Yeah.
Where?
Rent we have to take.
Very well, very good that you can take. If you have your own land, you can make a building there. Otherwise, we can take it for rent. Right? Generally, in business, it's not common to have land and start business. Okay. Generally, 90%, 85% of the businesses will go on rent basis. Right. Fair enough. What else? Yeah, land is also fine. You can buy land and start your own business. What else?
Finance, money.
Get the money. Okay. Introduce the capital. Then
we need strong networks to promote our product.
Are you talking about advertising?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, we will do advertising. Then
Staffs and all.
Staff, have salesmen, interview the people, smart guys, excellent boys to sell the phones. Okay. Then too good, we are talking. What else?
Basically, the first thing we have to know is the knowledge of everything, like all cell phones and all. Knowledge is an important thing.
Too good, do some market research. What are the best phones available? What is the cost? Where to procure and all? Right, very good, done.
The customers' needs and wants, like what type of phone they are using.
Okay, agreed. What else? Yeah, I did research. I found that I will be selling Samsung phones, iPhones, and Nokia phones. Oh, done. Then what else? What are the other things to do? I found the place. Next, I did the research. I got the people. What next?
Good communication skills.
Yes, I got the good people. They're all ready. Just imagine, you have a shop, you have the people. What else you need?
Materials.
Right? Buy the phones. Right? Purchase the phones. Right? Once purchase, where will you keep it? In the shop.
In the shop.
Where in the shop? Get the furniture and all done, right?
Yes, sir.
Get the displays and all. Yes, so nicely we have decorated the shop with all these phones, right?
Yes, sir.
All we are waiting is we have advertised. Customers will come and we will sell. Over.
No, sir. You have to advertise.
Yeah, advertisement is also done very nicely. Okay, advertisement is done and business gets started or not?
Yeah, started.
Right. That's what we're saying. Search for good locations, talk to brokers, see locations, finalize locations, pay broker fees, pay advance to landlords, make inquiries for vendors. Okay? Make inquiries for vendors, purchase cell phones, do the advertisement. interview candidates, negotiate salaries, make offer letters, make sales. Right? So this is not a business. There may be another 1,000 activities. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but these are some of the things which are required, right? What are all these called?
Requirements to start a business.
Sorry, come again.
Requirements to start a business.
You have already started the business. You are already making sales.
Process.
Business marketing.
Business process.
Business processing.
Shall I give another name to this?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you say all these are business activities?
Business
From the
activity.
beginning till the running of the business. What are all these?
Business activities.
Right. So someone told me in the beginning of the class, sir, accounting is about recording. Okay, do I record all the activities?
Yes, so we have to record.
All these searching of web and all, should we record? Taking interviews to candidates, should I record? Paying, should I record? Should I record? What do you guys think? Accounting is about is a process of recording. Should I record? So essentially, do we record all these activities? In the books of accounts, do we record all these activities? Okay, I will ask one by one. What do you say, Lavanya?
Not all, sir, but the profit, loss, and
Only profit and loss should I record? Do I don't have to record anything else?
Purchase.
Chasing have to record, okay, fair enough.
Advertisement.
I
Promotion.
have to record, very good. 8 and 9 I should record. And
investment also record, sir.
investment is not there in this, but investment is there, then you should record. Yes, what else?
Make sales.
Make sales you have to record. Yes, then
Purchase cell phones.
that also we should record. Very good. Next,
Pay advance to landlord.
that also you have to record. How
Pay
are you
broker fee.
The employees.
which one to not to record?
What?
How are you deciding which one to record and which one not to record? Talking to brokers? Why no? Why this you have to record? Why that?
Because there is no money transaction, no, sir.
Very good. Too good. So what we record, Lavanya, not where there is profit or loss. We record where there is money. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Recording of what? Okay. We should record things where money is involved. As chartered accountants, future chartered accountants, cost accountants, professionals, whichever course you are into. Okay, what you should keep in mind, where money is there, you should get attracted that side. Okay, good or bad? Right, from an accountant perspective. Okay, from an accountant perspective, you should see where the money is. If money is there, then it is important for you. Yeah, right. So, what do we record? Okay, do we record all these all these activities? No. We only record those which can be measured in terms of money. These are called transactions. Right, guys?
So,
So, what are transactions?
buying and selling of products or anything.
That is only transaction. I'm not buying anything. I'm paying to the broker,
Money.
landlord, the advance. Is that a transaction? Yes. Money is involved, then it is transaction. Buying, selling, profit are later.
Yes, sir.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
There are many charitable institutions. There are many hospitals, government hospitals. They do free service and all. Correct? They don't earn any profit, but do they record transactions? Do they record transactions? Yes. So what they record? Not buying and selling. Where money is there, they will record. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what do we record? We record business activities which involve money. Okay, let's not confuse. We record transactions. What are transactions? Transactions are business activities involving money. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is also called, so transactions are these: paying to the broker, advertising, promotion, sales, advance to landlord, purchase of cell phones are all transactions. The others are simple business activities. Getting it? So we separated transactions, we separated business activities. Other business activities not involving money. Correct? Journal entries are related to business activities without money or business activities with money.
With money.
With money. Right? Journal entries are related to where the money is involved. This is what your concept of money measurement concept that you might have studied in your PU. The PU says that in your PU, in your accounting, it says money measurement concept. It says that accounting is all about transactions which involve money. Right?
Okay, sir.
Right, guys? Right. So what did we take? What is the takeaway so far? Can I ask Bhavani to read it out?
Takeaway so far. The outcomes of accounting are financial statements.
Hold on a second. What are the financial statements we talked about?
Income and
Income.
balance sheet and income and expenses.
Right.
Income statement and balance sheet.
Right. Simple names, income statement and balance sheet. Very good. Next.
To understand accounting, we distinguish it transactions and business activities.
Right. So you want to know accounting, you have to distinguish between transactions and other business activities. Next.
Accounting starts with recording of transaction.
Accounting starts with the recording of transactions. That's nothing but
Journalizing the transaction.
analyzing the transaction.